In today's tutorial, we're going to be doing a stick foundation routine. We're also going to get some of this hydrating face primer. And you're going to just stick a couple squirts right in the palm of your hand. We're going to get this stick foundation. It just rolls up and down. And all you're going to do is just basically put a few streaks across your face. And then we're going to blend it in. And it does a pretty good job of covering up any blemishes, but if you want, you can either add a little bit more foundation over it, or you can get some concealer and stick over it. I typically like to do this before my foundation, but I'll just do a little bit now. And I'm just going to do another little dab of the foundation stick right over that. And then we're going to set that with some of this setting powder. Then we're going to get some of the setting spray. Just give it a little spritz. And then let that set in and dry. And there you have it. Super quick, super fast. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.